to take the front thing off when you're doing that because it wastes a lot of battery. But fuck it. Look at this.
Dump that in the crock pot and cook that separate. Something big. Smoking the unit now, huh? What are we cooking today?
Chitlins.
Big bowl of meat.
Chitlins.
No bacon over there. What are we gonna do on this side of town? Couple fucking red, white, and blues. Little fucking. That's that fucking nice. I didn't turn it on yet. No, you don't have to. Just dump the fucking meat into it.
Backside flip over the joint.
That's easy money.
Huh?
That's easy money.
Can't do that.
What?
Can't backside flip.
You know about me? Heavy meatery. You know about bacon? Bell peppers. You know about Bush's baked beans? I think we're getting some. I think the ratio looks here. I think it actually looks good. I think we're in good shape.